Tired of wasting time on bad leads? Today, we're diving headfirst into the ultimate sales intelligence showdown, Apollo versus ZoomInfo, to determine which platform reigns supreme for boosting your outreach and closing more deals. First up, data accuracy. Both platforms boast massive databases, but independent tests often show discrepancies. Apollo generally sources data through automated web scraping and community contributions, while ZoomInfo heavily relies on human verification, potentially leading to more reliable contact information. But this comes at a cost. The ZoomInfo database is also larger. Next, let's talk lead generation. Apollo shines with its advanced filtering options, allowing you to pinpoint ideal prospects based on industry, job title, technology used, and even employee count. You can find emails and phone numbers for all of your leads, and can start marketing campaigns right from the platform. ZoomInfo also provides robust search capabilities, often excelling in identifying key decision makers within larger organizations. ZoomInfo offers a comprehensive company hierarchy view, which can be super useful. Now, the elephant in the room: pricing. Apollo typically offers more accessible entry-level plans, making it a great option for startups and smaller businesses. And they offer a free plan. ZoomInfo, on the other hand, is generally more expensive, targeting enterprise-level clients with its comprehensive suite of features. Be sure to get custom quotes from both to compare apples to apples, as pricing can vary based on your specific needs and the number of user seats. Finally, let's look at integrations. Both platforms integrate seamlessly with popular CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot, streamlining your workflow and ensuring data consistency across your sales stack. Apollo often wins points for its ease of use and straightforward integration process, while ZoomInfo's integrations can be more complex but offer deeper data enrichment capabilities. So, which platform is better? It depends entirely on your specific needs and budget. Apollo offers a cost-effective solution with strong lead generation, while ZoomInfo provides a more comprehensive, albeit pricier, data intelligence platform. Do your research, request demos, and choose wisely. And don't forget to subscribe for more sales intelligence comparisons.